The Nokia X is the company's first smartphone running Android. Well, sort of. It officially runs on the Nokia X software platform version 1.0 based on Android 4.1 Jelly Bean, but has been extensively modified. Long story short, it's Android with a custom launcher where Google services have been replaced by Microsoft ones. The Nokia X is powered by a dual-core 1GHz Cortex-A5 processor coupled with half a gig of RAM, which should be barely enough to run a standard Android Jelly Bean build. Luckily, Nokia has done some great work optimizing its proprietary launcher, so the final result is decently smooth with a minimal amount of visible lag. Let's take a look at Nokia's custom launcher. It's a mix between the latest Asha software platform and Windows Phone with some entirely new twists here and there. There is a glance screen with notifications and also the quite familiar lock screen. Swiping it reveals one of the two home screens, the app drawer and the fast lane screen. The app drawer on Nokia X looks a lot like Windows Phone home screen, with all app shortcuts taking on the form of Windows Phone live tiles. They are resizable as well, and you can even change the base color of each tile. What's different is none of these live tiles is actually live due to the hardware limitations of the device. The home screen will list all of your installed apps, so it might get really long if you don't organize your shortcuts into folders. Standard Android widgets are also supported. You get the familiar analog clock, calendar, email, Facebook, power control deck, and more. Apps that come with a dedicated widget such as BBM will also appear in the widget menu. Swiping left or right of the app drawer will take you to the other home screen called Fastlane. Those of you familiar with the Asha user interface will recognize it immediately. It keeps track of all your recent activity, including opened apps, visited web pages along with contacts you've called, messages, emails, calendar events like birthdays and to-dos, installed apps, shared content, notes and pictures, radio stations, and even social network posts, replies, likes, and goings-on. The music player, if active, will also appear here. You can also pull down the status bar to show notifications for missed events and quick toggles for sound profiles, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data. The Here Maps app is on board, combining both the Map Explorer and turn-by-turn voice navigation functionalities previously available on Windows Phone as separate applications. You can download maps and voices for any country you like, but you get a navigation license for just one. There are lots of games pre-installed on the Nokia X, as well as BBM Messenger, Facebook, Twitter, Nokia Mix Radio, Opera web browsers, and even 2 file managers from which you can sideload Android APKs. Nokia's dedicated store is quite rich, with even more apps joining it by the minute, so hopefully you won't need to do too much sideloading.